Hello, myself Dr. Rameez Falke. प्रिवेंशन इज बेटर देन क्योर, इसकी जो एकदम लाइव मिसाल आज मुझे इस सेमिनार के थ्रू से समझ में आई। बहुत ज़्यादा इसका एडवांटेज जो मुझे समझा वो ये कि ऐसी बहुत सारी टेक्नोलॉजीज़ और बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो है प्रेशर अल्सर्स और गेट टेक्नोलॉजी के लिए भी अवेलेबल है, लेकिन शायद ही कोई ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी मुझे आज तक पता थी कि जिसमें प्रॉब्लम और सॉल्यूशन दोनों का डिफरेंस जो है हमको ऑन द स्पॉट देखने के लिए मिला, और विदाउट डूइंग एनी सर्जिकल पार्ट, कैलस रिमूवल, कॉर्न रिमूवल, और जस्ट बाय करेक्टिंग इन सोल्स हम लोग सॉल्यूशन तक पहुंच सकते हैं। ये बहुत बड़ा मुझे एक सेटिस्फाइंग पार्ट लगा। तो मैं रेकमेंड करूंगा डायबिटोलॉजिस्ट, फिजिशियन, ऑर्थोपेडिशियंस कि वो ये इस चीज़ में इंटरेस्ट लें, समझे, ताकि वो अपने फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट को और अपने टेक्नीशियंस को इसमें ट्रेन करा सकें। थैंक यू।
I'm Gayathri Suresh, diabetes educator and clinical podiatrist. I came to know about this biomechanic training from WeCare, and we attended 2 days of online and 1 day of offline. And it was very informative and wonderful training because being a podiatrist, there was a lot to know about the gait and all other aspects of gait analysis and pronation, supination, and what is the mid-trance and all those things. It was really very, very informative, and I'm going to adopt this in my practice. Thank you so much, Care Clinic. Thank you.
Hi, I am Dr. Suman. I am also practicing in Kharghar. We both are physiotherapists practicing both in Kharghar.
Hi, I am Dr. Jyoti and I am practicing in Kharghar. So recently we have attended this podiatry workshop by Dr. Sarika, and it has changed our view for seeing the patient, which we make for the patient which come on the daily basis, but we used to miss out few
Biomechanical analysis, which
and
very informative and to how to analyze the gait and biomechanically how it balances the from ankle to the whole body.
So inside of the biomechanical changes which can be done with the insoles and totally change the gait pattern and give a good relief to the patients. So yeah, we are thankful to Dr. Sarika.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mamatha. I'm a microbiologist and clinical podiatrist. So I heard a course regarding the biomechanics from WeCare, and I was very much excited to be a part of this. So immediately as soon as I got to know, I enrolled to this, and I attended the 2 days classes of online and a practical session at Mumbai offline classes, and it was very much informative. I was very much impressed by the staff and especially the Dr. Sarika ma'am, her teaching methods, because biomechanics is a very important task. Being a clinical podiatrist, it is very important to have proper care for the patients who come to us. So biomechanics not only help us to do the proper gait correction from the foot to the ankle to the hip till the head. There is a lot of things has to be done to do the correct posture. So I'm very much impressed by this, and I'm very happy to be a part of this. And thank you so much.